Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Our bathroom just got a major upgrade with this amazing mirror from EchosLife.
We are in the middle of a major bathroom renovation, and when I found this mirror, I knew it was completely perfect for this space. We used to have a really old vanity with this lighting above it, and it didn't just look right. This is so beautiful. I love the options that this mirror has. It has three different lighting settings as well as the ability to dim or brighten each of these colors. And this was so easy to install. You just have to make sure that these brackets are securely on the wall and nice and level. All you do is make sure you have a place to plug in your mirror and you just lift it up into place, and it is so secure. I think it is just foolproof. And I love the look of this mirror. It has this beautiful black aluminum frame all around it, which really makes you feel like you're in a high end hotel, but also it's backlit. So that really just adds this extra oomph to this mirror. It is so luxurious. And if all of that wasn't enough, it also has anti-fog. So you just press that button right on the front of the mirror before you hop in the shower, and you will have a virtually fogless mirror, which is so impressive. This mirror just has all the bells and whistles.
If you are looking for the best of both worlds when it comes to lighting and mirror, then you need to get this mirror from Echo's Life. You are going to absolutely love it, and that is my point of view.